What's up, gang? I'm coming at y'all with the latest update on Young Thug's RICO case. These folks want Young Thug in prison. They trying to get that boy life, man. They don't want him in the city. The reason why they sacrifice out all of these plea deals is because they want Young Thug. Thug defense is hurt because everyone basically, once they caught that plea deal, said that yes, indeed, YSL is a gang and did commit in gang or criminal activities. So the whole time that Thug is screaming YSL is not a gang is now contradicted, because here it is, you have one co-founder, 2 your brother, 3 and other label mates all screaming the same thing. Where the big blow comes at is that Young Thug, nor did his defense team know that any of them was going to even cop plea deals. Kind of scary right now, man. Looking like what they want for him, which is life, is what they're going to try to get him. You know what I'm saying? These prosecutors, like I say, they want Thug. This man sitting in prison right now with a weak defense in a sense. And I don't know, I've heard that Thug said for them to go and cop deals. So I'm not sure. I don't know. It's all speculation. But we're going to see how this thing plays out. Hopefully Young Thug is going to be all right. You know, hopefully he does come home soon. I mean, Thug is a good dude. He's done a lot. He's done good things in this community. So I'm wishing him the best. Hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.
Before signing this indictment, did you have the opportunity to fully discuss all of the facts and circumstances therein with your attorney, Mr. Hoover, to your satisfaction?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything about the indictment you wish to ask me or ask any questions about?
No, sir.
All right. I'll note the indictment has been signed and the plea has been entered. Mr. Sumlin, based upon the responses that you've given during the court's inquiry, I find that your guilty plea is freely and voluntarily entered. I find a factual basis for your plea. I'm going to accept your plea as tendered and as negotiated. As it pertains to you in count 1, that's conspiracy to violate the Racketeering Influence and Corrupt Organizations Act. This court will sentence you to 15 years to serve on probation, subject to the special conditions that have been set forth on the record already in terms of your plea, and I'll go over some of those with you in just a minute. As it pertains to count 47, conspiracy to commit a crime, murder, this court will sentence you to 15 years to serve on probation, subject to the special conditions. Count 48 is participation in criminal street gang activity, YSL. This court will sentence you to 15 years to serve on probation, subject to the special conditions already set forth. And on count 55, as it pertains to you, conspiracy to commit a crime, murder, this court will also sentence you to 15 years to serve probation, subject to the special conditions therein. All counts 1, 47, 48, and 55, will run concurrently to you. That means that concurrent means they run at the same time, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. As part of your this particular plea in this particular case, you understand that you need to abide in full by each of the terms of your negotiated agreement between you and the state. You can't be at some other place if probation kind of finds you at 2 o'clock in the morning and you're at a strip club, you're gonna have some problems. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
For the pendency of this case, you can't have any contact with anybody else in this indictment, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. That would also go along with, as Ms. Perry's going to tell you, you can't be associated with anybody else with a felony record. So that's why you couldn't necessarily have any contact with anybody. There's probably a few people on this who have had some prior contact with the law in terms of felony convictions, okay? So don't have anything to do with anybody in this particular indictment, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.